Good morning, scientists. Today I have a co-teacher with me. That would be Daisy, and she's very excited and, has a lot to say. You all wanted, Daisy to be our class dog. So here she is, ready and excited for today's lesson. Okay, you sit. You sit. You sit. Here you go. All right, you just sit there supporting. Okay, so good morning. Day 2 of our online science class. Hope everybody had a great day yesterday. I hope you learned a lot. All right, so this is your warm-up question. And I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of the Happy Thursday screen here so that if you want to go back and just remind yourself what the question was or what we were doing, you can just look at that screenshot. Okay, so the warm-up. List in order the structures that blood passes through in one heart cycle. So in other words, what I mean by a heart cycle is from the time the blood enters the heart, so it's coming back from the top part of the body through the superior vena cava. Think back to your diagram yesterday that you made. And it's coming from the lower part of the body, the inferior vena cava. Where is the chamber that they both enter into? So from that chamber, where does the blood go next? From that chamber. So that's what I mean. So even include valves. Just see the best you can do. Go ahead and pause this and write that warm-up in. Now you're on warm-up for Thursday. I know we didn't have a Monday, Tuesday, and your block days are combined. So just go ahead and change that first week warm-up sheet to just be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But remember to put the dates down. Today is March 26th. Okay, I'm going to show you the answers. So from the superior and inferior vena cava, they enter the right atrium. Remember, the right atrium, looking at it, is on the left. Goes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Daisy's so excited about the right ventricle. Through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, picks up oxygen, comes back into the heart from the pulmonary veins, into the left atrium through either, you can call it the bicuspid or mitral valve, into the left ventricle, out the aorta, and then out to all of the body's cells. Okay, so if you look back, the next thing is your daily assignment and explanation. So if you look at Google Classroom, yeah, Daisy loves this part. So the first thing that you're going to be doing this morning is you're going to be watching this very video. If you watch it and you understand it, would you go ahead and right here where it says your work and then it has a place for you to click turned in, would you just go ahead and once you watch it and why are you crying? And once you watch it, and if you understand what to do, just click turned in, because that allows me to go to Google Classroom and just look and make sure everybody saw it and everybody's good to go. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to read page 371 to 376. It's in chapter 13. You already have this. It's the Daisy said, I don't have this, and she feels kind of left out. It's section 2 on circulation. So section 1 was about blood. Section 2 is about circulation. So how blood is moving through your body. You will read 371 to 376. You'll stop when you get to the self-check questions. I'm not assigning those, but if I were you, I would look at those and I would see if you would be able to answer those, because those might show up in the near future or on a test. All right, so the next thing you're going to do after you have read, you are going to come up with a Google form quiz question. And this is how you're going to do it. You're going to click on this Daruss Quizzes Kid Quiz Maker. It's going to look like this. And all you have to do is write your last name, first name, class period. Then you're going to come up with just one multiple choice question from your reading. You're going to write down your question. So if this was me filling it out, my question might be, what or which is not a type of circulation? Now you have to come up with 4 possible answers. Only one of them is going to be correct. So I might say my first one is pulmonary. My next option might be respiratory. My third option, systemic. And my fourth option, coronary. So you have to have 4 options. Now, one of those is the correct answer. So what I'm looking for is the one that is not a type of circulation, and that would be option B. So I'm going to click option B. And then you know how you're given time to answer the question? I'm only going to give 10 seconds for this one. And then you're going to submit the question. That's all you have to do. After that, you are going to do number 5, the homework packet pages 4 and 5. Remember, you already have this in Notability. So you're going to be doing, let me find it. Let me see, page 4 and 5. Here, it's in your homework packet. That looks like, oh, here is your homework packet. And you're going to be doing, you've already done page 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to be doing, you're going to be doing page 4, because you see here, it's section 2, and page 5. And then you will turn that into Shobi by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, Friday, March 27th. The warm-up should take you about 2 minutes. The reading and questions should take you about 30 minutes. And just writing down one question for that Google form quizzes should take you about 5 minutes. I'm going to collect all those questions that you submit, and I'm going to make a quizzes out of it, and I will give that to you Friday and see how well you do on a quizzes that you all made. All right, that's it for today. I'm praying for you. Make sure that you are checking Google Classroom a lot. Make sure you're reading every instruction, every word of it. Maybe read it twice. Some of y'all, this is a challenge, the reading directions thing. So this is good, because it's going to give you an opportunity to really grow in that area. All right, I miss you. I love hearing from you, and I will check in tomorrow. Daisy and I say over, and Daisy, you want to say goodbye? Daisy, you want to say goodbye to the kids? Can you say goodbye? Can you see them? Where are you? Daisy. You say goodbye. Can you sit up? Come here. She's not really cooperating. She's exhausted from all that learning. Okay. I will see you tomorrow.